there everybody, it's markcrilley. I'm back with another video. You know, it's very popular to do drawing challenges here on YouTube, such as the Realism Challenge or the 10-minute, 1-minute, 10-second challenge. Well, all of those videos contain just one single challenge per video. I've decided to kick it up a notch today. I'm going to do 20, that's right, 20 different drawing challenges all in one video. Are you guys ready for it? I'm ready for it. It's a little something I'm calling the Drawing Challenge Challenge. Let's do it! Alright, well that's the Drawing Challenge Challenge. I'm just adding a few final touches to this piece. You know, I don't normally say stuff like this, but I think this is maybe the best drawing I've ever made. Just putting it out there. I want to wish you all a very happy Easter. Today is special for another reason. I can't remember what it is, but happy Easter everybody. I think it's time for me to lay down this asparagus. I want to thank you all for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And I'll be back with another one real soon.